Hello everyone. My name is Vijay. I'm studying BTech CS at KL University and I'm doing internship at Indian Servers as I done a project on machine learning, which is a part of my internship. And my project is weather prediction using artificial neural networks. And my project ID is 333. So, and the abstract of my project is weather forecasting. It is a state of atmosphere of a given location. Applications using science and technology, which includes temperature, rain, speed, humidity, cloudiness, rainy, etc. Everything which includes in the atmosphere, and it can follows conditions like snow and ice cover, storm, floods, and in this project, I'm using neural network packages called Neural Profit. Neural Profit is nothing but it predicts the future values of a variables based on past observations, which means it takes in examples with already done in the past and it predict on the future for the next coming days. So here I using the Weather India dataset to predict the weather of my project, and I'm using approach is a neural network model which consists of inputs and hidden layers output. In the inputs we giving that cloud at 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. what is the temperature on Monday, the inputs, and it calculates with the weights with the using the hidden layers in between, and it will predict the output which is compared with the target output provided in the input data set. So this is the model of my approach. Firstly, we'll give input and it will calculate with the bias to the hidden layers, and after it predict the output at temperature what is the conclusion. So then let's get back to the code. Here my project weather prediction. Firstly, I install all the dependencies. Pip install neural profit which is using in my project, and I imported all my libraries, and I trained a data set which names in weather India.csv, and in that CSV file we have columns like date, location, temperature, rainfall, cloud 3 p.m., temperature. All these are the columns which are available in my dataset, and the shape of my dataset rows and columns. These are the rows and these are the columns. The location unique use. Here I am using the dataset on India, weather predicting on Indian dataset. So all the states or India will be here. So I'm choosing my location at Maharashtra. Firstly, I have taken the validate variable column and taking time as temperature at 9 a.m. on morning. So after date and time, I have plot the graph, and this is my graph. So from 2018 to 2008 to 18, this is the graph of weather at 9 a.m. It shows. After I want to take up to 2016 data year. So this is the code, and I only choose for the 2016. So we cannot directly change the data set. So I have assigned a variables like ds, which give to the data date, and y is an object to the temperature at 9 a.m. So these are the columns which I assigned to the data. And now I am training the model, which is the neural profit. It is created an instance of my neural profit package. It creates a variable of p and a fitting method, which is creating a model, training model. So after that, the forecast fitting the values. So here make underscore future underscore data from is a method to predict the future by assigning a value of p in the model fit method for this. So after forecasting, I have given the data. I have printed the data, all the weekly, yearly trend data. So by using this data, I have plotted the forecast. So this is the graph of year, and which shows clearly component of forecast. This is the graph for the years, which slightly decreases from 2015 to 18, and this is the graph in between months, and this is by weekly day of weeks. This is years, and after we are using the predict the weather for the future, so we should have to must save the model. So I have taken a model at Pickle, which is a library for my storing the future values. So I have Pickle a dump Pickle model for variable assigning as f to the v, and after I am loaded the model. After printing, this is the model after predicting the future values, and again I have the plotted the graph, which is in the coming done, and after I have performed a correlation between the variables. So this is my project in thanking you.